What if the line between reality and illusion became so blurred you could no longer tell them apart? Welcome to a world where this is not only possible but is becoming more prevalent thanks to the power of artificial intelligence and deepfake technology. Deepfake, a term coined from deep learning and fake, is an AI-based technology used to create hyper-realistic images and videos that are nearly indistinguishable from the real thing. It's transforming the way we perceive reality, creating a realm where seeing is no longer believing. But with this power comes responsibility. It raises ethical questions about consent, privacy, and the potential for misuse. What happens when we can no longer trust our eyes? What are the safeguards to prevent misuse of this technology? These are crucial considerations as we step into this new reality. Now imagine harnessing that power to create your own deepfake video. Creating a deepfake video might seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, anyone can do it. Let's break down the steps. The first step is selecting your source materials. You will need 2 sets of videos, one of the person you want to replace and one of the person you want to insert. Make sure these videos are clear, well lit, and the people are facing the camera. Try to have them show a range of expressions for the best results. Next, you need to extract the faces from these videos. There are several software options available for this. When you've extracted the faces, you'll have a series of images that your AI model will learn from. Now, it's time to train your AI model. This is where the magic happens. The software will take the images you've extracted and begin to learn the characteristics of each face. It will then start generating a new face that blends the two together. This process can take some time depending on your computer's power and the quality of the images you're working with. After the training is complete, you'll have a model that can generate a deepfake face, but you're not done yet. The next step is to take this model and apply it to your original video. This is often referred to as re-encoding. You'll take the original video of the person you want to replace, and the software will swap their face with the deepfake face. The final step is refining and polishing. You'll want to check the video for any errors or glitches and make adjustments as needed. This might involve retraining your model or tweaking the settings in your software. And there you have it, a deepfake video made in a few simple steps. Remember, while this technology can be fun and exciting, it's also powerful and can be misused. Always use deepfake responsibly and respect the privacy and consent of others. Creating deepfake videos is not just about manipulating reality, it's also about understanding the implications of this technology. We've delved into the future of reality, where artificial intelligence enables us to create hyper-realistic videos. We've seen how deepfake technology works, from gathering data and training the AI to fine-tuning the results for maximum authenticity. But let's not forget, with great power comes great responsibility. The use of deepfake technology should always be ethical. It's essential to consider the potential for misuse. Imagine someone using this technology to create damaging or misleading content, all while hiding behind the guise of another person. The implications are daunting. That's why it's crucial to stress the importance of consent and transparency. Never use someone's likeness without their explicit permission. Be open about the content you're creating and make sure it's clear that it's a deepfake. Moreover, monetizing deepfake content should be approached with caution. There's a thin line between innovation and exploitation. While it's possible to make a profit from this technology, it should never be at the expense of someone else's privacy or integrity. Always remember, deepfake technology is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The choice is in our hands. As we continue to explore the potential of AI and deepfake technology, let's remember to use it responsibly. The power to shape reality is now in our hands. As we move forward, the realm of artificial intelligence and deepfake technology continues to expand, opening up a world of possibilities. This is an invitation to you to explore and innovate, to create your own deepfake videos. But remember, with every stride we take towards this future, we must carry with us the ethical considerations. With great power comes great responsibility. Use AI and deepfake technology wisely and always respect the boundaries of reality. Before we wrap up, let's make sure you're all set to continue your journey in the dynamic world of AI. It's a fast-moving field and staying updated is crucial. So don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we dive into another exciting topic in the domain of AI. Remember, the future is being written now, and you're a part of it. Together, let's explore, learn, and create responsibly in this fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and deepfake technology. Stay connected, stay updated, and thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of reality.